So one company stock bought recently is PNGS Reva Diamond Jewelry. This is not a trade recommendation. This is a stock I bought. I'll tell you the reasons why I bought, including my green flags and red flags for the company. So 4 days back, I had already posted on my in my community section in my YouTube channel and Twitter. So if you're following me, you would get to know faster than I make a video. So you come to my page, you come to my YouTube channel, and then you come here, and then you click on post. You'll get a notification if you're subscribed. Only subscribers can see this. So people who are subscribed on Twitter and people who are subscribed on YouTube channels will get this post in notification or in your feed, right? Because videos take time to make, so I'll just post it here because it's easier. So you will get these posts faster than I make my videos. So do subscribe if you enjoy this trading vlog and want to be updated whenever we take trades. So it's like in the same industry as Thangamile, which went up 50% in 1 month, and then I bought Sky Gold also, which is up around 15% plus or something. And so I thought, okay, that industry, this gold ornament industry is doing good. So I was looking in that industry, and then I noticed this company, PNJ's Reva Diamond. And the main reason for shortlisting is among these data, right? I'll just show you all the data. Tell me if you can find the data, right? These sets. These are some. Then these are some. I'll go into each of these details, but before that, let me know if you can find something that is a huge green flag. Like it was screaming to be bought, in my opinion. Can you find it? There are red flags, but there is this one thing that I really thought was a huge green flag. Could you find it? The answer is change in promoter holding, 1.68% increase, right? And he's already holding 65% of the company, 63% of the company, 63%, and then he bought an additional 1.68 to make it 64.8, which is approximately, when you take 1% of 1620 crore company market cap, that's roughly 27 crores. So putting 27 crores at 27 crores of your own money, when instead you could have just put it in a fixed deposit and earn 7%, putting it back in your company, and when you have a promoter holding of 63%, shows the amount of conviction the promoter has in this company. And I thought, okay, let me go look deeper into the company, and then I saw a decent amount of green flags, and then I thought, okay, I'll buy this company, right? So now let's go into the details of the green and red flags, my green and red flags of the company. So first one is market cap 1620. So it's very small, almost micro cap territory. So upper circuits and lower circuits can be easily hit. So it's a high risk stock. Then stock PE is 19, industry PE is 19, so almost properly priced. Then ROC, ROE is decent, face value is 10, which means future stock splits can be possible, and stock splits are usually good for the company. Example, Krishnna Foskam and Madhya Bharat Agro. These were both my stocks, and they both ran up before and after the stock split. Krishnna Foskam fell very hard, and I exited, but it eventually recovered and went up 20% or something. Then reserves is more than the contingent liability, which is almost zero, which is good. Then interest coverage ratio is very good, 11. Debt has increased this year, which is a small red flag. Quick ratio is 1.9, which is above average. Sales growth is good. Operating profit margin is good. Profit increase growth is good. Okay. Profit growth is okay. Net profit margin is okay. Promoter holding is very good. Pledge percentage is 0, which is good. Cash flow is negative. Change in promoter holding 1.68 was my giant green flag, like a giant green flag waving at me, right? So I can still be wrong. So I'm putting a stop loss in trading. I am putting a stop loss that I'm comfortable losing, and if it hits, I will get out without any excuses. So this is 1.68%, and return on assets is good. PEG ratio is very high. This is one stock where I found Kotak's data to be wrong. Okay, so I decided, okay, I will show Dan's data. How I know is because I went to the filings of, I noticed some discrepancies between the two websites, and then I went to the filing of the company on the exchange and downloaded the result, and I actually went through the results, and I noticed that Dan's data is closer to the company's filing. So I decided to show Dan's. So all my analysis is based on what you see in Kotak and Dan. So whenever I see a discrepancy, usually they both match. Whenever I see a discrepancy, I usually go to the website. You can just go to the exchange, BSE or NSE's website, and then you can download the results. Anyway, so coming back to this, let's just look at the profit and loss statement. March 2026 compared to March 2025. So results are good. Other income is very low. Then balance sheet, cash flow. Even though it's positive, it's coming from a lot of financing. We need to check that. But it is investing, which is good. But operations is negative 105. Now anyway, I'll show you the Cotex thing and you can find it out. You can see it's 59 year and 65 year. So yeah, so that's why I decided to look further. Cash flow seems to be correct, I guess. So it's overall a positive cash flow company. Balance sheet. So I think the data in only results are wrong. Even this is wrong. It has debt, right? Look at the overview with the pinch of salt because I am not sure that this is correct. SWOT analysis, weakness, opportunities, threats. Shareholding should be correct, I guess. Yeah. Promoters have increased holding 60, 62. He bought 3%. They bought 3% in March 2026 quarter. Now and again another 1%. They have huge confidence in the company. FIIs are dropping, and Indian mutual funds have increased slightly, but FIIs are reducing their interest in this. Okay. Any news? Any news? Now let's look at the insider trading 2026. About all 2026. So much buying. I wonder what they know. All our promoters. Definitely they know something that we may be not seeing. Definitely they know something. Now let's read about the company in detail. So it's the same industry as Thangamile, Sky Gold. Seems to be like the same industry. Maybe some may be B2C, some may be B2B. Sky Gold is I think B2B. So this is their website. So yeah, do your own research. Don't trust anyone online. Read my disclaimer. This is my thesis on PNG's River. I have a stop loss in mind. Never trade without a stop loss. And please remember, this is not a trading recommendation. This is a trade I took with a strict stop loss, which if hit, I will exit without any second thoughts. Website could be better. They could have had at least products listed. So yeah, do subscribe if you enjoy this trading blog and want to be updated whenever we take trades. Thank you. Bye.